Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off aeroplane mode option in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to off your aeroplane mode setting from your phone setting Oppo phone, and friend you want to remove guys this aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So friend, how can you remove it? Today I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting I scroll it, friends you can see this type of settings. So friend, how can you turn off guys your aeroplane mode setting? Friends, you can see your connection and sharing option guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your first setting is aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you want to off this aeroplane mode setting, so you can off from here in your Oppo phone device. After 3 and 4 seconds guys, your aeroplane mode will off. So as now you can use guys your internet setting without any problem, and when you can use your phone call setting. So like that guys, we can turn off aeroplane mode setting in Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.